Morning guys. So today I thought I'd nip over to Rspb Rainham marshes, see what I can see. Thought I'd take you along. This is one of the first places I actually come to. Got me interested in bird life and wildlife here and what side over Pixie. Oh yeah, it's always nice to come over here. So I've been coming over here for what, 10-15 years. Made some really nice friends. So yeah, I'll put some video up later, what I've seen, all pictures and stuff. Oh yeah, hopefully it'll be a good day. So just spoke to the lady on the reception desk, and she's just told me the barn owl is out hunting. So can't see it at the moment, but let's go and have a look, eh? See what we can see. See what we can see. So I'm just walking up to the first hide, the Purfleet hide. Oh, there's a few red ring about. It's quite an overcast day as well, so you have to up the ISO, I think. Looks like the water levels are up. As you can hear them, they're great tits. Looks like there's 2 or 3 great tits in there. Just coming into the Purfleet hide. So there's quite a lot of activity out there, so that should be good. Shut the door wide. So I've just managed to get the barn owl flying that way. It looks like it was going back towards the box, which is just in those woodlands over there. So I don't think we'll see it again now till later. Yeah, that was nice. Barn owl to start off with.